Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make raisin muffins using a simple method by dividing the ingredients into groups. This recipe is easy to follow. The muffins rise beautifully and taste delicious. Let's get started. The ingredients are divided into 4 groups. Group 1, wet ingredients, eggs, 300 g equal about 6 eggs, sugar, 700 g, fresh milk, 800 g. Group 2, dry ingredients, cake flour, 800 g, baking powder, 40 g, salt, 10 g. Group 3, corn oil, 400 g. Group 4, raisins, 300 g. First, crack the eggs into a mixing bowl. Add the ingredients from Group 1, eggs, sugar, and fresh milk. Beat the mixture until the sugar is completely dissolved and everything is well combined. Next, add the dry ingredients from Group 2, cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Before adding the flour, reduce the mixer speed, then add the dry ingredients gradually to prevent the flour from spilling. Once the flour is mostly combined, slightly increase the mixer speed to ensure the batter is evenly mixed. Now add the corn oil. Mix just until combined. Do not overmix at this stage, as overmixing can affect how well the muffins rise. Remove the whisk attachment and gently finish mixing the batter by hand, using a spatula. For the raisins, place some at the bottom of each paper cup and reserve the rest for topping the muffins. Fill each muffin cup to about 80% full. This allows the muffins to rise evenly and keeps their shape nice. Bake with the top heat at 200 degrees and the bottom heat at 160 degrees for 25 minutes. After baking, you'll have soft, beautifully risen raisin muffins. Thank you so much for watching.